For decades, the story of the dinosaurs has been one of tragedy. A massive asteroid 6 miles wide slammed into Earth 66 million years ago. This cataclysmic event, known as the Chicxulub impact, plunged the planet into darkness. It triggered widespread wildfires, tsunamis, and volcanic eruptions. In the aftermath, nearly 3/4 of all plant and animal species vanished. Among them were the dinosaurs, the once dominant creatures that ruled the planet for over 180 million years. This catastrophic event marked the end of the Cretaceous period and the beginning of the Paleogene. It forever changed the course of life on Earth. The impact paved the way for the rise of mammals, and eventually our own species. But what if this familiar narrative is incomplete? A recent study published in the journal challenges the long-held view of dinosaur decline. The study's authors, led by paleontologist Tyler Lyson, argue that the apparent decline in dinosaur diversity in the Late Cretaceous is an artifact of a biased fossil record. They suggest that geological factors, rather than biological ones, may have skewed our understanding of dinosaur populations before the impact. To investigate this, Lyson and his team analyzed nearly 18 million years of fossil data. They focused on fossils from the last stage of the Cretaceous period, known as the Maastrichtian age. This period spans from 72 to 66 million years ago, culminating in the Chicxulub impact. The team's analysis encompassed 4 major dinosaur families: Ankylosauridae, Ceratopsidae, Hadrosauridae, and Tyrannosauridae. Their findings suggest that these dinosaur groups were not in decline before the asteroid impact. Instead, they appear to have been widespread and abundant across North America. This challenges the idea that dinosaurs were already on their way out before the asteroid struck. The fossil record is a treasure trove of information about Earth's past. However, it is an incomplete and often biased record. Not all organisms have an equal chance of becoming fossils. Fossilization requires specific conditions, such as rapid burial and the presence of hard body parts. This means that some organisms, like those living in environments with high sedimentation rates, are more likely to be preserved than others. In the case of late Cretaceous dinosaurs, Lyson's team argues that geological changes may have significantly impacted fossilization rates. During the Maastrichtian age, North America underwent dramatic transformations. The Western Interior Seaway, a vast inland sea that once divided the continent, began to retreat. This led to the formation of new landmasses and the uplift of the Rocky Mountains. These geological upheavals likely influenced the distribution of dinosaur habitats and the availability of suitable environments for fossilization. This in turn could have created the illusion of a decline in dinosaur diversity. The retreat of the Western Interior Seaway and the rise of the Rocky Mountains had profound effects on the landscape of North America. As the seaway receded, it exposed vast areas of land, creating new habitats for dinosaurs and other organisms. However, this also meant that areas that were once prime locations for fossilization, such as shallow marine environments, were no longer available. Simultaneously, the uplift of the Rocky Mountains created a dynamic and ever-changing landscape. Erosion rates increased, potentially destroying existing fossils and making it more difficult for new fossils to form. The shifting rivers and floodplains also meant that dinosaur remains were more likely to be scattered and broken apart, further reducing the likelihood of complete skeletons being preserved. These geological processes highlight the challenges in interpreting the fossil record. While a decline in fossil discoveries might suggest a decline in populations, it could also reflect changes in fossilization potential due to external factors. Section 5. A new perspective: abundant dinosaurs, limited fossils. The study by Lyson and his team offers a new perspective on the state of dinosaurs before the Chicxulub impact. Their findings suggest that, contrary to previous beliefs, dinosaurs were not in decline. Instead, they were widespread and abundant across North America. The apparent decline in diversity observed in the fossil record may be a reflection of geological biases rather than a genuine biological trend. This study highlights the importance of considering geological context when interpreting the fossil record. Changes in sea level, mountain building, and erosion can all significantly impact the preservation of fossils. Failing to account for these factors can lead to inaccurate conclusions about past ecosystems and the evolution of life on Earth. The researchers emphasize that their findings do not negate the devastating impact of the Chicxulub asteroid. The impact undoubtedly caused a mass extinction event that wiped out the dinosaurs and countless other species. However, this new research suggests that the dinosaurs were not already on their way out before the asteroid struck. They were thriving, diverse, and well adapted to their environment. Section 6. Diverse responses. Winners and losers in a changing world. While the study by Lyson et al. Paints a picture of overall dinosaur abundance, it's important to acknowledge that not all dinosaur groups may have responded to the changing environment in the same way. Other research suggests that some dinosaur groups may have indeed experienced declines in diversity leading up to the Chicxulub impact. For example, studies on dinosaur populations in Europe and Asia have shown evidence for a decline in some groups, particularly large herbivores. This suggests that regional variations in environmental pressures, such as climate change or volcanic activity, may have impacted different dinosaur lineages differently. Further research is needed to reconcile these seemingly contradictory findings. It's possible that certain dinosaur groups were more adaptable to the changing environment than others. Some may have even benefited from the new ecological opportunities presented by the retreating seaway and rising mountains. Section 7. The End of an Era. Revisiting the Dinosaur Extinction. The extinction of the dinosaurs remains one of the most captivating events in Earth's history. While the Chicxulub asteroid impact is widely accepted as the primary cause, the new research by Lyson and his team adds a layer of complexity to our understanding of the events leading up to this extinction. It's now clear that the picture of dinosaur evolution during the Late Cretaceous is more nuanced than previously thought. Dinosaurs were not a monolithic group all facing a slow and inevitable decline. Instead, they were diverse, dynamic, and seemingly thriving right up until the moment the asteroid struck. This new understanding emphasizes the delicate balance between life and the ever-changing environment. It also highlights the need for continuous research and re-evaluation of our assumptions about the past. The more we learn about the dinosaurs and their world, the more we understand the complexities of life on Earth and the forces that have shaped our planet's history. Section 8. Looking ahead, unveiling the mysteries of Earth's past. The study by Lyson and his team serves as a reminder that our understanding of the past is constantly evolving. New discoveries and innovative research methods continue to challenge established theories and reshape our understanding of Earth's history. As we continue to explore the fossil record and develop new techniques for analyzing ancient DNA and environmental proxies, we can expect to uncover even more surprises about the dinosaurs and the world they inhabited. These discoveries will not only shed light on the distant past, but also provide valuable insights into the present and future of life on our planet. By studying the past, we gain a deeper appreciation for the resilience of life and the interconnectedness of Earth's systems. The story of the dinosaurs is a powerful reminder of the importance of scientific inquiry and the need to remain open to new possibilities no matter how unexpected they may be.